I love seeing where everyone's listening from. Now, dim the lights, maybe turn on a fan for that soft background hum, and let's ease into tonight's journey together. You don't remember when it started raining, only that it always seems to be raining now. A slow, pulsing patter overhead, filtered through 1,000 shades of green. The jungle wraps around you like a wet shawl, clingy and indifferent. The path is gone. It might never have been there. You trudge forward anyway, because stopping would mean listening to the forest. And that, you're not quite ready for. The trees rise like pillars of an ancient cathedral, wide, silent, vaguely disapproving. Lianas swing in the mist like loose wires, and giant ferns lean over you like gossiping ants. Something rustles just to your left, but you don't look. You've learned that nothing good comes from making eye contact with sounds. And then, there's the smell. Earthy, sure.